Here is one of the many vacuums that will be fixed up. I'm going to start on the Excalibur next. That, however, I think has a bad motor in the brush roll area that drives the brush. I think the motor for the brush roll is bad, but I'll just use it till it runs out and get a new motor. But I'll show you this right now. It's kind of what it looks like. I haven't really touched it since I got it, but that's it right there. As you see, $9.99. So this will be shown in another video. This is the more deluxe version with the stretch hose, which I am very fond of. So I'm gonna run this. It kind of has a funky sound. The light used to work, but now it doesn't for some reason. I can't tell if that's the socket it's in or what, but it looked like the filament was broke in the bulb, so not much you can do about that. But for the most part, it sounds good. Y'all can let me know. It's the part on wind down that really concerns me, so I'll plug this in for you, and I will give you a run of the Hoover Turbo Power 2000. It sounds good. It has the original belt in it too. Is that normal? I don't know, or it's probably me just being paranoid. Either way, I don't really smell anything. One thing's for sure, it doesn't smell like wet dog. Because when I got it and turned it on for the first time, it smelled like wet dog. But I'd say that sounds pretty good. Anyway, well, there's the Hoover Turbo Power 2000. I will make another video on this when I do have it running better. So, anyway, there you go. I hope y'all enjoy.